Method for this kind of presentation is based on the SRA tools. So the SRA means it's a software-based requirement analysis tool. So before I proceed, so just imagine in what scenario we have duck here, and then we also have this kind of shape whatever. So both of these parties want to communicate with each other, but the problem is in terms of language. One or something or process, intermediary process that can help both of these animals can talk with each other and can understand with each other. So that's why we need knowledge. So the questions here, when you do that kind of process, the meeting and so on, so how to effectively capture the requirements, capture complete, accurate requirements in the specifications. So my focus is the output will be the specifications. So like you have the SRS and so on. So you have since we are in the formal, I cannot say it's a really formal method because it's a combination. So my supervisor, he recommends another thing, another concept is formal engineering methods. So it's just a few different things with the formal methods. So let we go to the software. Where if ED has familiar with VDM and Azman familiar with Z, and software is some sort of another language. So this in the same family here, so formal method family. So software stand for structured object oriented formal language. So you have to do a lot of activities, especially for in terms of you have to use the apply the use case, you have to implement the activity diagram, you have to implement whatever diagram you have to follow. But in software, you don't have to do a lot of things. So what the steps you need to do is just for the requirements analysis step, you just need the two steps here, informal and semi-formal. So informal and semi-formal. So what is the method knowledge? Is a method where you put all the steps you have to do. The steps and then the language, because it's based on the steps we will proceed with the to come up with the output and so on. So what is the program method? And then it's because we are using the software language, so we implement all the methods based on the software. So based on this kind of guidance here, so we develop the tools. So we develop tools, prototype tools. So we have 5 major functions embedded in a kind of tools, in this kind of tools, and which we call it as SRA tools. So software-based requirement analysis tools. So this is the snapshot of the tools. And we have the guidance also. So what we want to do is for the future work. So we will proceed since we only focus on the informal and semi-formal. So actually the complete framework is we start with the informals and then we follow up with the semi-formals and then the last one, formals. So that's the complete setup of specifications. So we'll just point at that. And then since we only have one domain, so actually we have two actually. One is about the brachial, and then the other one is about the automatic automobile driving simulations, and then we want to another domain as well. So that in terms of the safety security, they good for safety security.